Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change your Steam region to Argentina. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and on your main Steam interface, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see your username displayed there. Go ahead and click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with various account options. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Account Details. This will take you to your account management page where you can view and modify your profile information, purchase history, and regional settings. This is the central hub for managing all your Steam account preferences. Now, once you're on the account details page, look at the right panel of your screen. Here you'll find several options related to your account settings. Click on Update Store Country. This is the option that allows you to change your Steam store region and access content available in different countries. However, here's where things get important. In order for this option to actually appear and function, you must meet two specific requirements. First, you must physically be in Argentina. Steam actively checks your IP location to verify your actual physical presence in the country. Second, your payment method must also be from that country. Without meeting both of these requirements, the Update Store Country option will not appear or work properly, just like you can see in my video. Now, here's a crucial note you need to understand before attempting this process. Using a VPN alone does not work anymore. Steam has updated their systems to prevent region changes through VPN services only. To successfully change your region to Argentina, you must complete an actual real purchase in that country using a valid Argentinian payment method. This verification step ensures that only legitimate users who are genuinely located in Argentina can access that region's pricing and content. So now you understand the requirements needed to change your Steam region to Argentina. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.